Hello watcher and subscribers. Here in the today's class we are going to see all the Linux basic commands. In the last class we had seen how to install Ubuntu, online Ubuntu. If you don't know, if you didn't attend that tutorial, you can attend that tutorial and you will understand how to install Ubuntu. Now here in the today's class we will practice the basic commands, and here we will see all the 8 commands. Once you understood, you can easily use Ubuntu by using all the basic commands. So here first we will see current directory, how to use current directory. Because if you are using a Ubuntu operating system, then sometimes you have to use terminal for command, and because if you use all the basic command, then you can make a best use of Ubuntu operating system. So for that we will see all the basic command. So here first one is current working directory, means while working many times we want to switch to the current directory. So whatever commands you are using, for that first you use a terminal. Now here we will check our current directory, and for that our command is pwd. So simply you type pwd here. So now our directory is home on works, because default directory is always home in Ubuntu, and on works means it is a created account. Online created account is on works. Okay, that is present after home. So this is a directory, because if you are using Windows 10 and if you are creating account, so you will be entered in your account if you log in. So like that, here in the home we are enter in a onworks account. So by using pwd you can check the current directory. Now here in that current directory you can easily make a directory and remove the directory. For that we will use mkdir command. So here in the mkdir command we refer here folder name. Okay, I have created already some folder there. So here I am writing demo1, press enter. So your folder is demo1, which is present in a current directory on works. So you see here demo1 is created, and you can delete it by right click also. There will be here delete option, like you see other options are coming: cut, copy, move, copy, rename, and move to trash, means it will delete that folder. And same task you can do by command also. So for that, which command you will use? rmdir and demo1. So once you do that, it will be definitely demo1 will be deleted, and you can check that folder on works also, that folder will not be there. Now after that we will see how to create file and how to remove file. For creating file we use touch, and remove file we use rm command. So now here we will create a file, and here we will use touch command. I am writing touch t. And what is our current directory? Once again we will check home on works. So it means that file is present in on works. You see it is present in on works. Then as you know now, for removing the file, rmt command, and here the file will be deleted. This rm command will delete that file. So it's very simple command. Then we will see change working directory. This command is very important, cd command. How to change directory? Now here you see carefully, as you already know our current directory, and the current directory is on works. Suppose if I write here cd music. Now I am in the music, and my current directory is, I am under the music. Where exactly music? That is present in onworks folder. So you can cross check here under this onworks, we have the music. It is already created, we didn't create, it is by default there. So in this way you can change the directory here by using cd command, and you can show the path here, like we use cd music. Now here this is our directory, and I want to go back on works. So you can use their cd dot dot. If I cross check using pwd, then you observe here we are in the onworks. Now again I use cd dot dot, and if I use pwd, then you can observe we are in the home. You see it is in home. What happen once again if you write cd dot dot? Now we are in the root, you see, because Ubuntu or Linux based operating system start with the root. Under the root we have home directory, and under home we have the account onworks. Okay, so like that we can use. Now we are in the root, our current directory is root, and if I use ls command, so under that root we have the all these folders. Now you see here under root we have all this folder, and suppose if we type here cd home, and now if you use ls command, so under home it will show onworks, because under home there is a onworks account. Okay, so in this way you can use ls command to check what directories are there, what folders are there. Because in short, what is the use of ls? To check the content. To check the content of folder means in that folder what contents are there, what files are there, and what folders are there. Then last one is cd tilde, switch to the home directory. So if I use here cd tilde, because now your home directory is root, and if I use here cd home and then cd onworks, spelling mistake is there. Now we are in the current directory onworks. Now if I use cd tilde, it will show the home. Now your current directory is home. So by using cd tilde symbol, we can switch over the home directory, because now initially we were in the root, so that's why it was showing root. But after reaching back, when you use cd tilde, it will help you to reach to the home directory. And we rarely use actually cd tilde, because these two are enough, cd, and if you want to go back to the previous directory we use cd dot dot, and for cross checking current directory we use pwd command. So I hope student you understood all the 8 commands. Somewhat you will get confusion in cd command, so if you practice properly then you will understand. So I hope you understood this tutorial. Thanks for watching this. Thank you.